For centuries, humanity has harnessed the raw power of nature. Before the age of electricity, before the roar of engines, a different kind of machine brought life to our communities. This is the unseen assembly of the water wheel. Every great machine requires a solid anchor. First, we lay the foundation, shaping and setting the massive stone or timber supports that will bear the full weight and force of the turning wheel. Next, we position the central axle. This great shaft, a single piece of heavy timber or reinforced iron, is the backbone of the entire system. It's the pivot around which all motion will turn. Now for the spokes. Each of these arms is carefully measured and slotted into the axle, creating the powerful skeletal structure. This is where the wheel's strength and balance are truly forged. With the frame complete, we add the paddles. These simple yet crucial blades are what catch the current, transforming the river's flow into rotational power. They are the heart of the machine's work, the final details. We open the sluice gate and with a slow, deliberate groan, the wheel begins its work. Water meets wood and the full power of the river is unleashed. The assembly is complete. The work of the mill can begin. We've built an ancient machine, a testament to ingenuity. If you want to see more technology that powers our world, like and subscribe for more unseen assembly videos.